Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making no roll pie crust. We're going to start off with 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, and we're going to mix the dry ingredients so that everything goes together. And what's really cool about this recipe is that we needed no baking soda to make anything happen. Next, we're gonna need 1/2 cup of oil. We're gonna make a little circle in the middle so that we can put our oil in. And we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of milk, but I had no tablespoon, so I had to use 3 1 teaspoons. So we're gonna mix the dry ingredients just a little bit because you don't want the dough to start losing its moisture. So here I'm using a mini pie pan, so I just have the dough that I made, but the dough recipe is for a regular pie pan. So now all we're gonna do is just pat our dough to fit my little mini pie pan, and I'm just going up the sides, going around, making sure that it's even in the pie pan so that when I go to put my ingredients in, everything goes perfectly. This recipe is perfect for a weeknight pie when you don't have enough time, but just enough to make a quick and simple, maybe apple pie, and surprise the kiddos after dinner. And that's it, guys. Pat to your liking, and there you have it, no roll pie crust. Simple, easy, perfect. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.